So today we are going to review the seat covers for CyberTruck, white color seat covers, which are going to match with the theme of the CyberTruck. These are the original seat covers that came with CyberTruck. So these are the covers which I got from EvBase. Comes with some tools, pins, clips, which are going to hold the seat cover together. And these are all the seat covers that came along. Let's open it. So that's the front seat covers. These are the front bases. I did not install the white armrest that came along with this. It's kept on the roof of the car over here. I did not install it. I just wanted to keep that extra cushion. It's your choice. You can use it if you want to. It does have some crease marks. As you can see, there are a lot of crease marks I had the previous one which were white and black, and all these crease marks over the period of time, when you park the car in the sun, it just goes away. Like even this little bit of cushioning that you see, it just will just disappear. It will just sit flush. You will feel it for a couple of days, and after that, once you keep using the car, it just sticks to the seats.